Hey, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. I want to offer you a motivational moment to help you keep going on your reseller business. I get discouraged sometimes, and these things help me. I know they will help you too. So let's get motivated. Have you ever gotten caught up in the rat race of always feeling like you have to work all the time? You need to take a moment. You need to relax. You need to have peace. Let me show you what that means. Psalm 46, verses 1 through 3 says, God is our refuge and strength, an ever-present help in trouble. Therefore, we will not fear, though the earth give way and the mountains fall into the heart of the sea, though its waters roar and foam, and the mountains quake with their surging. Our God is our refuge. He's a place that we can go and rest. In this business of the reselling world, sometimes you just need to stop. Take a minute. Listen to the sound of this amazing, amazing ocean. If you don't take time to just stop and relax, you'll forget why you're even motivated. You'll forget why you're even doing this job. I'm going to let you enjoy these sounds and then share with you one of my favorite verses about peace. Philippians 4:6. Do not worry about anything, but in everything, by prayer and supplication, with thanksgiving, let your requests be made known to God. And the peace of God, which surpasses all understanding, will guard your hearts and minds in Christ Jesus. If you don't take that minute to find that peace, then what are we doing all this hard work for? We don't want to stay in the rat race of business. We want to enjoy this scene and calm moment. I hope you've had a chance to relax. I'm going to give you a few more minutes to listen to this serene scene and just think about what are the reasons that you do this job? What are the reasons that you stay motivated in doing the reseller world business? Why do you do this job? Think about it. Make a mental list in your head. Even make a regular list. Take these few moments to just reflect on the reasons and the priorities of why you do what you do. Stay motivated and keep working hard. But take moments like this to just relax. Hopefully this has been motivating, and remember, in the end, Jesus wins. If you don't attend church or cannot get out, please join me and my church family on our church's live stream on Facebook in the link below. The one who is usually preaching is my hubby, the voice from behind the camera. And you might even see me singing on the praise team. The live stream usually begins between 10:30 and 10:45 after our announcement time on Sundays. Just tune in and enjoy. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.